How to grow money plant indoors in water? Money plant is a common house plant that can be grown both indoors and outdoors. It is among one of the few plants that can be grown in pure water, even without adding any fertilizers. It is quite easy to grow and requires minimal care. Money plant is also known by different names such as golden pothos, devil's ivy, silver vine, Solomon Islands ivy, devil's vine, ivy arum, taro vine, feng shui plant. It is believed that keeping money planted at home brings good luck, prosperity, wealth, and happiness. Before going into the video, discover the forgotten power of plants, the Home Remedies Handbook. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in the lost book of Herbal Remedies. It includes recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that all of our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 high-definition, color pictures for each plant, and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So make sure to check the first link in our description to get the book. Now let's get into today's video. Here are the step-by-step details of growing money plants from stem cuttings in water. Step 1. Take a healthy stem from an existing money plant. It's suggested that you take a thick stem of around 30 centimeters in length. Step 2. Make a sharp cut of around 45 degrees, just above a node. A node is a point from which plant the leaves of the money plant grow. Step 3. Put the stem in a glass jar, glass bottle, plastic bottle, or ceramic pot. Fill the jar with water such that it covers at least one node. The water should be clean and free from chlorine. It's suggested that you use filtered water. Step 4. Keep the jar at a place where it can get indirect sunlight. You may keep it near windows. Step 5. New roots should start appearing 1 to 2 weeks' time. Step 6. Change water as soon as the water turns turbid. Maintain water level to cover the roots. Decorate the jar by adding some pebbles or jelly balls to the base. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.